Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are back again with another video. So on today's video, we're going to be making a meal that you can have as a breakfast, lunch or dinner. But this is a meal that I usually have during dinner time when I just want to have something light and oil-free and starch free, and that is very nutritious and just delicious. So yeah, so that's what we're going to be making today. We'll be making a bean salad. So today is one of those days that I really just don't feel like cooking, and I decided let me just make a bean salad. And I decided just to look at the ingredients that I have in the house so that I don't have to go out of the house and, just to buy extra things to make my salad better. So I am at peace with the things that I have in the house. So that's what I'm going to be using. I'll be showing you what I'll be putting in my salad. So I usually have pre-boiled beans in the freezer. So whenever I get beans, I always just boil them, then just store them in the fridge for days like this. So just basically that's just my way of preparing myself for such types of meals that take a long time to prepare. So the first thing that you'll need for this meal is, of course, your beans. So make sure your beans are ready and already boiled. So that's the first step. So all I did was just remove them from the freezer and just warm them a bit in the pan, then had them cool off a little bit. Then I started preparing my the other things that I'm going to be adding. It's a fun activity to do. It's basically a salad that you're making. So be creative. You can use different things. You can even add meat if you want to add meat. So let's just get right into the video. Let me show you my ingredients and let's whip this thing up in under 5 minutes, literally. Because all you're doing is, if you have your boiled maize, boiled beans in the freezer, you're taking them out. So you can take them out in the morning if this is a meal that you've planned to make in the evening. So get them out in the morning. So by the time you're coming back, you're just cutting up your salad ingredients. That's basically it, making your salad ingredients. Then you'll go ahead and make a very nice, simple, easy dressing. It can even be as simple as lemon. Just lemon. That's it, guys. It doesn't have to be complicated. It can be lemon and black pepper. Just if you have dressing in the house, you can also use that. So let's get right into the video. Ice cream or beans, guys? Ice cream or beans, I tell you. Things that will tell you that you live in an African home. Hey.
Chasing butterflies in Pasadena, toss seashells to the blue. Like you drive gelato to moon. I know you're ready on cue. Starlink was built by midnight. There be no strife. Take it slow, right? I got no sign of the future. If the stars right, then there's you
here. See the trees in my villa, yeah. Leave that pink little killer, no cam. Tossing stones like pillars, yeah. If you blink it all, come back in flashes. See the trees in my villa, yeah. Leave that pink little killer, no cam. Tossing stones like pillars. So what's your point of view? No capulets and montagues. No second guessing modern views. What's your point of view? Is it Frank, MGMT, electric feel of nature? So please don't get complacent, I'm amused. Hope my interests don't confuse you, but I like to test the waters before I dive. I'm in search of something new, unfamiliar to my eyes.
So here we are with our beans. They are ready. For the other ingredients, they actually taste really, really nice. I feel like eating them already as they are without even adding any more things. So yeah, let me just show you some of the things that I've prepared for this salad. So here we have onions. Here we have some red and yellow capsicum, carrot, cucumber, which I think I'll add. They look so few compared to the other ones.
Eyes lately, earth been standing still. I've been looking for the motion. Got a 2-room flat with your girl for the moment. Got a new plug, need a day, night to show 'em off. Got a neighbor who complain about us smoking on the loft. Gotta leave my son up, little demo a la carte. Would've died for this life at 16. Yeah, all the things you see on the big screen. See the trees in my villa, yeah. Beat that pink little killer, no cam. Tossing stones like villas, yeah. If you blink it all, come back in flashes. See the trees in my villa, yeah. Beat that pink little killer, no cam. Tossing stones like villas. CLA to LAU. That's a 40-minute drive if the traffic not as live. Organic chem, taking up your mood. Should've switched my major, it's been this shit.
Alright, so we are done, and now I want to taste the food. So I think I did something off camera. I put just some little dressing. I didn't overdo it because the salt and the butter just gave the beans the flavor that it needed. So the only thing that I did after that was just drizzle some lemon and a bit of black pepper, and that was basically my dressing. I was not overdoing it, guys. I just wanted a simple, plain, salad, and yeah, that's what I got. So let me taste it. Mommy. Yes. Guys, this thing is bomb. This thing is bomb. Yeah, this is it. This is exactly what I was looking for. A fresh taste in the evening, something so light, and just have the portion that I've served, very little, so that you don't sleep when you're too full, So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really loved sharing this recipe with you guys. So feel free to be very creative. Just drop whatever, just use whatever ingredients that you like. It can be even a fruit like a mango to make it very sweet. I don't know if you guys like throwing in. You could also throw in pineapple, just different fruits that you like, or you can even use avocado as well, just to make it very creamy, yeah. So anything goes. You can also use tomatoes. I didn't put in tomatoes. I had actually prepared tomatoes, but I decided that's not the flavor that I was looking for. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today's video. Give this video a thumbs up. Remember to like, share, and comment, and see you on the next one. Bye.